Yeah. Oh, there will be a burnout? There will be.
It's about to happen right now.
He's right in front of his brother.
Oh. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm getting right up in the face with it. You left something back here, brother. I'm gonna put it back on for you. Hold on. All right, fuck, damn. All right, man. God, that's brother. You see the depth? You see the depth on that?
You can get a vlog on.
You kind of just gotta aim it. Sorry you're recording. Especially with this bitch. Okay. You know what? I hope we can keep up. I know we can't, but you know. Brother, I see you do your thing there, brother.
That motherfucker run down there.
Yeah.
Where y'all wanna go like that?
Shit, I like MLK, brother. Either way, really. All right.
Go like downtown EL type shit?
Yeah, let's do it. She go fast. know you shoot flames, right? Oh, you did know that. Oh, you didn't tell me. It was a surprise. It was a surprise. Okay, all right. I like surprises. Yeah. All right, okay. Let me know. Let me know. This motherfucker is a bad member boy. Alright, now I gotta really go get a bike, man. God damn.
Might as well.
Yeah.
Might as well. I'm
Work at a dealership, trying to get a cheap ass bike. You said what?
You want me to get one?
Man,
I'm looking for one.
I say, let's see if he let you ride his down the street. If you don't want one by the time you come back, something wrong with you, brother. Yeah, brother. So you hit me up when you ready to. Yeah, let me know. Yep. You want to trade?
I don't know how to drive a manual.
You want to trade?
How to drive a manual.
What are you talking about? You driving manual right now? Yeah, you do. You're doing it right now.
I know how to drive a car. I will.
Bro, that's harder than this is. Man, come on, man. He's fucking with
That
me.
bitch spitting flames.
I saw it twice already, and I got it on film both times. Yeah. This nigga's crazy. Let me know. Behind us like these guys are nuts.
Hey, go ahead and get my shot.
Alright. Hey, man. Come on, man. What's that bitch name, cuzzo? Nasty.
Hey, you want me to smoke these motherfuckers?
What's up, man? Hold on. Point the camera at that. Now do it. Trayway, brother. The fucking trayway, man. One motherfucking here, brother. Let me know. Ooh, let's get it. Yo, I don't know if you know manuals, but them bitches was butter. All three of them right there. Woo! Let's get this shit, brother. That shit come down, grab him up. Oh my God. The downshifts, brother. Woo. Hey man, listen. Let me see that. Hold on, you rolling? All right. Listen, bro. I dropped my phone. Hey, man. That was nice, man. I can't wait to watch this shit, dog.
I can't lie.
I hope we can see it.
That's the first time I smoked them that good.
Hey, man.
Hey, I ain't gonna hold you up. Cuz was out, I said, fuck it, we gonna have to. Cause we was pushing that.
Man. Yeah, hey, my oil light came on and went off. That's what I'm talking about, bro. It was like a couple times I was getting it right, and then it was tweaking, bro. I don't know if my turbo going bad or what.
Like riders and shit so we could fuck around with, yo.
Should I see where Bo ass at?
Y'all niggas was pushing that motherfucker.
Yeah.
When y'all left me on MLK, I ain't gonna, and once we hopped on the highway.
He said, watch this.
Oh, cause I got all-wheel drive.
Yeah, I seen it. As soon as I seen him.
I told him, I was like, we might slide, maybe. Cause I turned TC off so I get more power to the wheels.
Smooth.
Bro, oh, I just shifted like the best I've ever shifted in my life, bro. I promise you. And then I ended it with a downshift.
I go, hey, y'all got a lighter?
Yeah, there's one in the car somewhere.
Yeah, that bitch spit out fire.
I seen it, I said, what the fuck?
Yo, I was wondering if it did. I didn't know if it did for sure or not, but I figured because it was Yoshi.
And it's dark at night too. That's the killer. It's over with, man.
Dog, 600 is the perfect size, bro.
Yeah,
I mean, I think
so,
I think I'd be happy on a 750.
So what?
To be honest. Not bad.
Damn, you got down. Can I get on this? You got down. That's just like that's just like dog. My boy who had the 1,000, he only paid 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. Yeah,
1,000, G?
Yeah.
Here, hold on, let me. Oh, dog, I burned myself one time on that Yoshi pipe, bro. Nigga,
Tripping.
look,
You tripping.
warming up the motherfucker.
Oh, it's a new trick. I feel like.
That's the size, cuz. You might need the 750 though, no cap. But you a little heavier than me. Look. Let me see, hold up. That motherfucker spit.
Oh man. So I don't even think that's pointed right. I just want it one time up close. That's my cousin, y'all. That's my cousin. Y'all better listen to his music. Fuck around and get a boost on y'all.